Are jobs really safe in the age of artificial intelligence? As AI transforms industries from IT services to customer support and even content creation, a new set of unemployment numbers from India is raising fresh questions about where the labor market is headed. The latest government survey shows unemployment ticking up slightly at the start of the year. But is this just seasonal, or does it reflect deeper shifts in the way work itself is changing? India's unemployment rate among people aged 15 years and above rose to 5% in January this year, up from 4.8% in December 2025. That is according to the latest periodic labor force survey released by the National Statistics Office. On paper, the rise looks marginal, but it comes at a time when conversations around automation and AI-driven efficiency are becoming louder. Government officials say the increase was largely rural-driven, linked to seasonal slowdown after the harvest season. Sectors like construction, agriculture-allied work, transport, and small trade typically slow during winter months, affecting short-term employment. Urban labor markets, however, remained relatively stable. The data shows rural unemployment rising from 3.9% in December to 4.2% in January. In urban areas, joblessness increased from 6.7% to 7.0%. But beyond seasonal factors, experts are increasingly asking whether technology adoption, including AI tools that automate repetitive tasks, could gradually reshape hiring patterns, especially in services and IT-related roles. Looking at gender trends, unemployment among men remained largely stable in January. However, female unemployment saw a rise compared to December levels. According to officials, this increase still falls within the normal range seen throughout 2025, suggesting it may be a short-term fluctuation rather than a structural deterioration. But as AI adoption expands, analysts say reskilling and digital literacy could become crucial, particularly for women re-entering the workforce or shifting to new sectors. Another key trend is the slight dip in labor force participation. The overall labor force participation rate fell to 55.9% in January, down from 56.1% in December. Rural LFPR declined to 58.7%, while urban LFPR stood at 50.3%. Female participation overall was 35.1%, with rural female LFPR at 39.7% and urban female LFPR at 25.5%. Despite the rise in unemployment, the worker population ratio remained broadly stable. In rural areas, male WPR stood at 75.7%, while female WPR was 38.0%. Urban WPR held steady at 70.5% for males, 23.0% for females, and 46.8% overall. So where does AI fit into all this? Across industries, companies are increasingly using AI to improve productivity, from automated customer support and software development tools to AI-driven logistics planning. While these technologies can create new opportunities in areas like data science, robotics, and AI governance, they may also reduce demand for certain routine roles. That's why policymakers and industry leaders are now emphasizing reskilling, startups, and innovation-led job creation. arguing that future employment growth may come less from traditional large firms and more from new problem-solving businesses built around emerging technologies. The bigger question may be what lies ahead. As artificial intelligence transforms industries and companies rethink hiring, the real challenge could be ensuring that India's workforce is prepared for jobs that don't just exist today, but for those that are still being created.